Good morning everyone. Today I am Hassan Ali from Bhartiye Art Handicraft. I would like to show you a showcase, wooden carved showcase, which is fully carved by Saharanpur artisans of our company Bhartiye Art Handicraft. This showcase is having in above part 2 doors, partitions, and having 2 shelves and 1 bottom shelf, which is for keeping some product or commodity to see from outside dust from glass. This showcase is in teak wood, having a white deco paint on its surface, which is not in gloss, having a matte by customer choice. You can focus on left and right side. The above parts is open, and we have these glasses on these parts, and bottom parts is having a wooden carved design. Now we tell about you from the bottom parts. The bottom parts have 2 individual doors, which is for keeping anything and having a spacious area. Then there is 3 components of drawers, 3 drawers, first drawer, second drawer, and third drawer. You can see the design of this showcase. All the components have been seen already. You can see the curves and the design and the finish by our company Bhartiye Art Handicraft. You can also see this design, which is not a carving and not a plain, and this is also a very elegant carving, which is highlighting the showcase and make a good looking showcase. The left side and the right side is having a same design. You can see this is also highlighting a very nice these doors carving and the drawers carving. All this design is Italian design, making by us and our artisans of Bhartiye Art Handicraft. Thank you for watching this video. I am from Bhartiye Art Handicraft, Hassan Ali. For contact us